Meet the white-throated dipper, a bird that lives its whole life by and in the water. The dipper is built for fast, cold streams. It has strong legs adapted for gripping onto slippery rocks. This bird doesn't just swim, it flies underwater, literally. Using its wings to push against the current, it can reach the riverbed to hunt for food. Its diet mainly consists of aquatic insects, nymphs and larvae. Occasionally, it snatches small fish, shrimp and the like. When it's time to breed, the dipper builds a domed nest of moss, often tucked into a rock crevice or under a bridge, always near running water. In winter, some dippers move downstream to areas with open water, but many stay, even in freezing temperatures. As long as there's flowing water, they can survive. The white-throated dipper is not just a fascinating bird, it's also an important environmental indicator. Because it relies on clean, oxygen-rich water, its presence often signals a healthy ecosystem. So next time you're near a fast-flowing stream, if you see a little bird diving straight into the rapids, you may very well have found the white-throated dipper. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this, hit the like button and subscribe for more nature stories.